kindergartners today, where our math lesson is going to be this book, The Little Mouse, The Red Ripe Strawberry, and the Big Hungry Bear by Dawn and Audrey Wood, illustrated by Dawn Wood. Let's make a prediction. What do you think my story is about? I see a strawberry and a mouse, and the title of the book said The Big Hungry Bear. I wonder what's going to happen. Would you like to see? Here we go. Hello, little mouse. What are you doing? What is he up to? He has a ladder. I wonder what he's going to do. Let's find out. Oh, I see. Are you going to pick that red, ripe strawberry? Do you think he is? Sure looks like it, doesn't it? But, little mouse, haven't you heard about that big, hungry bear? Uh-oh. How does Mouse feel about that? He looks a little scared, doesn't he? Ooh, how that bear loves red, ripe strawberries. Uh-oh. Do you think he's still going to pick that strawberry? Let's see. Well, that big hungry bear, he can smell a red, ripe strawberry a mile away. Oh goodness, that mouse is pulling on that berry to get it off the bush. Let's see what happens. Especially one that has just been picked. Oh goodness. Do you think the bear is going to get the strawberry? Ooh, I don't know. Let's see. Boom! 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 That bear will tromp through the forest on his big, hungry feet and sniff, 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 and he will find the strawberry. Look at Mouse. He's running away with the strawberry. No matter where it is hidden. Uh-oh. Did he do a good job hiding that strawberry? Uh-oh, do you think the bear is going to find it? Or who is guarding it? He's got it all chained up and he's holding the key. Or how that strawberry is disguised. Do you see the strawberry anywhere? Quick! There's only one way in the whole wide world to save a red, ripe strawberry from the big, hungry bear. Do you know what it could be? Do you have any predictions or guesses? Let's see what Mouse decides to do. Cut it in two. You can share half with me. Thank you, Mouse. And we'll both eat it all up. Yum! Now, that's one red, ripe strawberry that the big hungry bear will never get. The end. So, how did the mouse keep the strawberry from bear? You're right. Mouse cut the strawberry into two pieces and shared a piece with me. And he ate the other piece, so there wasn't any left for the big hungry bear to get. Today I read The Little Mouse, The Red Ripe Strawberry, and The Big Hungry Bear, and I said that it was about math. Did you see any math in our story today? I did too. Are you ready? on this page, I see the mouse and the strawberry. Which one's bigger? The strawberry is, isn't it? It's a lot bigger than the mouse. Now I have some strawberries in my kitchen, and I wanted to see if my strawberry was bigger than the mouse. Let's see. Is my strawberry bigger than the mouse? No, it's not. The mouse is bigger than my strawberry. And I also saw some shapes in our book. Do you remember the shapes that we've been talking about? Circles and squares and triangles and rectangles. Do you see any shapes on this page? I do. Right here and right here and right here. What shapes are those? There are 1, 2, 3, 4 sides that are all the same, and 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. Did you say square? Good job. Now on this page, I notice another shape. It's a little tricky. Do you see one of the shapes on this page? Right here, I see a shape that has 1, 2, 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 corners. What shape is this? You're right, it's a triangle. Good job. Now let's see, on this page, I see a few more shapes. Do you see any? Look at Mouse's floor. What shapes are on his floor? 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 corners, and all the sides are the same. What shape is that? You're right, squares. And then if you look over here, I see another shape. This shape has no sides and no corners. What shape is this? You're right, it's a circle. And inside this circle is another shape. It's teeny tiny. Do you see it? It has 1, 2 long sides and 1, 2 short sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. What shape is that? You're right, it's a rectangle. Good job. So in our story today, with the mouse and the strawberry, there were a lot of shapes. So when you read stories, you can look for the different shapes in your stories. Now I have one more thing for you to do with this story. You can also use your imagination, because the story is about the little mouse, the red ripe strawberry, and the big hungry bear. Did you see a big hungry bear in the story? Neither did I. So I want you to use your imagination, and I want you to draw a picture of what you think that big hungry bear looks like. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.